Bear, I want to make a video. Bear, I want to make a video, please. Since my cat won't allow me to film on my setup, I will film it on his setup. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is an Apple ecosystem for under 300. Bear! He won't let me film. So, with everything getting more expensive, and if you're into the Apple ecosystem or want the greatest iPhone ever made, sadly Apple discontinued the mini due to poor sales, although the Max one, the normal, not the Pro, sold even more poorly. But that's not the topic of today. The topic of today, you get an amazing Apple ecosystem with used items, recent ones still supported, for under $300. Starting off with the amazing iPhone 12 mini. Now the device itself looks small and compact in the age of big phones, and this is an amazing one-hand device. You can freely use it with one hand, easily unlock it using Face ID. It's just received the iOS 26, although I did not update because I'm waiting 0.1 to fix the bugs and the battery drain, which is a huge concern for this phone. If you're serious about all-day battery, want a phone that will last you with a lot of usage, this is not this phone, but you can use a charger, always have a charger with you, or a battery pack, which is recommended, and you can change the battery cheaply for this, and basically have an amazing iPhone. The cat is back again. Now it should receive around 1 or 2 more updates. The iPhone 13 mini will receive more, but this one is still supported. Another thing is the Apple Watch Series 7, which is around 170 or less, used in good condition. This is still an amazing watch, and it's supported as well. It's accurate according to the quantum scientists on YouTube. So that's 170, and the iPhone is around 200 or even less if you can find it a good price. And the last thing is the AirPods, which are not necessary for the ecosystem, at least to me, but a lot of people use them. They can be found very cheaply. Generation 2, going to Generation 1, the battery is almost dead, although you can replace it unofficially, but if you want to go to Generation 2, you can find it cheaply in good conditions, and it should total around 300 if you're lucky. Find good deals on eBay or even locally. Locally is cheaper than eBay in most cases. So this is a really good phone. You're getting the latest iOS. You're having amazing applications. A lot of applications are better on iOS than on Android still. And I'm, as an Android user, I use both actually. I noticed this, especially Day One app, the journal app. And this is a good deal for people who want to use Apple cheaply, still latest, still supported. So let me know what you think, and leave me your comments below, and I'll talk to you in my next video.